In this video, we have been given that a square root of x minus 1 by x plus a square root of 1 minus 1 by x is equal to x. Then we have to find x. So we know that a square root of any number n, it is positive. So a square root of x minus 1 by x, it will be positive, and a square root of 1 minus 1 by x, it will be positive. That means x, it should be positive. And now if we take a is equal to a square root of x minus 1 by x and b is equal to a square root of 1 minus 1 by x, then we have given that a square root of x minus 1 by x plus a square root of 1 minus 1 by x is x, and this is a plus this is b, it is x. And from here we can get a square is x minus 1 by x, and from here we can get b square is 1 minus 1 by x. So a square minus b square, it will be x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x, and it is x minus 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x, and 1 by x will get cancelled. So a square minus b square, it is x minus 1, and we know that a square minus b square, it is a plus b times a minus b. So it will be a plus b times a minus b, that is equal to x minus 1, and a plus b is x. A plus b is x times a minus b, it is x minus 1. So a minus b, it will be x minus 1 by x, and it is x by x minus 1 by x, that will be 1 minus 1 by x. And now we have a plus b is x, and a minus b is 1 minus 1 by x. And if we add both equations, then b will get cancelled, and it will be 2a is equal to x plus 1 minus 1 by x, and 2a, it is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1, and from here we have a square is equal to x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x, it is a square. So 2a, it is a square plus 1, and a square minus 2a plus 1, it will be 0, and it is a square minus 2 times a times 1 plus 1 square is 0, and a square minus 2ab plus b square, it is a minus b square. So this will be a minus 1 square is equal to 0. So a minus 1 it will be 0 and a it will be 1. And now we have a square is x minus 1 by x, and a is 1 square, it is x minus 1 by x, and 1 it is equal to x square minus 1 by x. And if we cross multiply, then x it will be x square minus 1, and x square minus x minus 1 it will be 0. And for equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And here a is 1, b is minus 1, and c is minus 1. So x it will be minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus 1 by 2 times a is 1, and x is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4 by 2, and x is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 by 2. So we get x is 1 plus square root of 5 by 2, and x is 1 minus square root of 5 by 2, and we know that x is positive and this is negative, so it is not possible. That means x will be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. X is 1 plus square root of 5 by 2.